Did you muck up my air fryer?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna eat your intestines.
Well, I'm beginning to see.
Well, I'd like to apologize. I even got a new haircut to symbolize my apology. Man walks down the street, he says, why am I soft in the middle? Why am I soft in the middle when my life is so hard? Need a shot of redemption. I want a shot of redemption. Don't want to end up a cartoon in a cartoon graveyard and bone digger. You look at the moonlight. Far away where everything is green. Beer belly, get these mutts away from me. Yep. If you be my bodyguard, I can be your long lost pal. And if you call you Betty, and Betty, when you call me, you can call me Al. Walks down the street, he says, why am I so stop? Yep. Attention. No. We're even now.